The 2025 Audi RS5 Avant has been spied testing in Germany ahead of its expected unveiling next year. The muscular-looking wagon replaces the high-performance Audi RS4 Avant in the lineup, with the German car maker now using even numbers for electric cars, such as the A4 and A6, with petrol and hybrid Audis given odd numbers. There's also additional wider bodywork including side skirts, chunkier bumpers with ultra-aggressive front air intakes, and a low ride height typical of Audi's performance-focused cars. The RS5 Avant looks a lot sleeker than its predecessor and will surely boast an improved drag coefficient, which should help maximize the electric range provided by its plug-in hybrid powertrain. From what we've seen on other RS5 prototypes, expect a big change in the interior architecture with a much larger central touchscreen interface and reduction in physical controls. To this, the RS5 should then include a selection of bespoke elements, including RS Sport seats, a unique steering wheel, and bespoke graphics for the digital interfaces. The 2025 RS5 Avant is expected to continue with the 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 petrol engine used in the current RS4 Avant and RS5 Coupe and Sportback models as it carries over their Volkswagen MLB underpinnings. The current RS5 delivers 444 horsepower, but the next one should have substantially more power to challenge the 671 horsepower of the Mercedes-Benz AMG 63 SE Performance, which is also a plug-in hybrid.